Hey y'all, now Asharifia all in one this. Come make we cook and chop. Today we are going to be making a very creamy carrot juice. Very simple but delicious. So to get started, we just have carrots and condensed milk. Like I said, it's very simple. And you need a strainer. I'm just going to start off by cleaning my carrots. I'm just using a knife to scrape off the skin. But you can use a sponge to wash it or peel it. But I find that when you peel it, you waste a lot of the carrots. So I'm just scraping it off. Now, if you have a really powerful blender, you don't need to cut it as small as I'm cutting mine. I don't have a very, expensive blender, so I need to make sure I can blend this. I'm just repeating the process with all the carrots that I'm going to be using. I'm just washing off any skin that's left on. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend it. Now I only added a little bit of water because I don't want my carrot juice to be watery. And now I'm just straining, gently just pushing it down to get all the juice out. Now, once all the skin is out, I'm going to re-blend it again to strain it. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my condensed milk. Don't put it all in at one shot. Just gradually add it so you'll be able to tell if you like it much more creamier or, Because bear in mind, condensed milk is very sweet. So you don't want to overdo it all in one shot. And our carrot juice is done. You can just chill it and have it, or you can have it over ice. I did both. And this drink is very easy but very refreshing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you try it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tap that bell for all notifications.